Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Ben Daily Tips new video. Today we are going to learn how to block a program from the accessing internet. First thing you should do is going to your search bar, search for firewall and select Windows Defender Firewall or Windows Firewall. In this window on the left side, select Advanced Settings and new window pop up. On the left side, right click on Outbound Rules, select New Rule, and here in this window, make sure program is selected. Click on Next button, and here this program path should select our program. Go ahead and click on Browse and find your program. I'm gonna select Windows Media Player, for example. After selecting your program, click on Open button and select Next, and make sure Block the Connection is selected. Click Next again, and here make sure these three options is checked. Next, and here you should put a name for your black role, Windows Media Player black role. If you have a description, you can type your description here and click on Finish. As you can see, Windows Media Player black role added here. If you want to undo this, you can right click and select delete or disable rule. I'm gonna delete this for now, and that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed.